I'm just doing a quick video here of my new apartment. Pretty amazing. So far it looks like there's a package that I did not order. Very interesting. And I'm going to kind of cut around here and move it aside. So it's like I'm seeing some pretty bad dents on the door. Very concerning here. It's one of those deals where not good. I'm going to go in here and this looks pretty nice. It looks like we got some kind of painting here. A nice ceiling fan. And another painting. We got a little bit of a kitchen and dining area. And this place has a few locks in the doors. That's what I like about it. There's a patio. So when I come around here and look, I don't know what that is yet, but there's the big refrigerator I got. It's a stove. There's a little bit of a sink here, dishwasher. It's got the cabinets. And what I like here is this countertop, that goes out to the dining room area. Seeing when we look here, it's already got ice inside. It's like an ice maker. The refrigerator looks like it's a nice size. Feels like it's cold. And I know these cabinets here, they got dishes in them already. This is the first day I've come over here. I didn't put those in there. So that's good. Don't have to worry about dishes. And so I'm going to walk around here and see what's in there. Okay. So that looks like the heating unit. Very interesting. So I turned down the air conditioner here. I like things pretty cool. There's a looks like a toilet here, and I think there might even be some supplies here, maybe. No. It's like there's already some there's already a little bit of towels and whatnot available. It's got a washer, a dryer. It's got a little place up here. Now this is a pretty big bathtub, believe it or not. Probably one of the bigger ones I've ever seen. And then there's this storage closet. Oh, look at that. It's got a little pail in there. It's got a vacuum. There's different racks here. It looks nice. And we also have, let's see here, this is the bedroom. And this looks like almost a queen size bed. It's pretty amazing stuff here. It's a 3-room, and it looks like there's a window here. This window, as you can see there, it's pretty big. And then there are these, it's like a shag-like rug There's some lamps here. And then on the inside, you know, we got this giant walk-in closet. So it's nice. It really is. I'm pretty impressed. You know, and that gives you a view of what it looks like in its entirety. Comes with your TV and everything. Anyway, just kind of a tour here of my new apartment. So I'll tell you what, take care for now. God bless and God be praised. And bye.